Hey. Beep, beep. Toot, toot. Hey. Beep, beep. Black girls talking about the seconds. You want to hear a funny story? And okay, all right, okay. Okay, so when I was a kid, "Toot Toot Beep Beep" was a song. I was a baby, like, I don't know, 7 or 8, I don't know, but it was toot toot, hey, beep beep, toot toot, hey, beep beep. But okay, so I was never popular. I was never popular in school, and so there was a whole group of kids that chased me home, and I ran as fast as I could. Because you know, you guys always talk shit. I ain't never won no fights, but I talk shit like I could. So it was a whole group of kids. They chased me home, and my brother, he was like just imagine in 1979 or something, it wasn't okay to be cross-dressing or whatever. And my brother, I ran home. He's like, "What's wrong with you?" He's like, "Toot toot, beep beep." Yeah, I was like, these kids, they chasing, they want to beat me up, it is what it is. And when my brother went outside, he was like, which one of y'all think y'all gonna beat up my sister? My baby sister. Toot toot, beep beep. And now none of one of y'all gonna put your hands on my sister. And I was like, and I'm in the doorway going, because I talk shit behind a wall. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I got people to protect me, and I was a kid, and I'm going, toot toot, beep beep, toot toot. And my brother twirled on their ass. Like, who? Which one of y'all think y'all gonna put your hands on my sister? Not you, none of you, okay? It was the glamour of it all. And but that flamboyance damn near got my ass beat. Well, it probably did get my ass beat. Oh, look at this moon, y'all. Look at this. Can y'all see the moon? I'm trying to capture the... Can y'all see the moon? Like, I can see the moon. This moon, it's not a full moon, but shit. What am I showing? I ain't doing nothing. Wow. What I did? Looking for the moon and I lost my cap. Shit. But yeah, baby, there's no need to worry. As far as I can let it go, my love's in here for you. And you ain't gotta worry at all. Well, yeah, that was my little toot toot beep beep story for tonight. And I'm oh, it's cold up here. It's cold, baby. Okay, I'm going to get back with y'all in a minute. I just got me some fish. And I'm going to go inside and have my meal. All right. God bless. One love.